Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Cantab Publisher video session, the true leaders of one curriculum and one nation. Today's lecture is for class 2, chapter number 2, lecture number 4. The resources you need is English CSS textbook, English CSS workbook, and English CSS summer pack for grade 2, and the resource pack is available on the website for the parents and teachers to guide their students. Let's have a quick recap. Lecture number 1 was done about recognizing the common singular names. Lecture 2 was about identify and change the number of simple naming words. Lecture number 3 was about identify and classify gender of the naming words from immediate environment. And you were also instructed to read this chapter each time for every SLO and find the relevant content from the unit Our Hero. Today is lecture number 4, and the SLO says identify and pronounce with reasonable accuracy common two consonant clusters in initial positions. To study this SLO, we need the textbook page 14, the workbook page 9 and 10, and the summer pack page number 14. By the end of this lesson, lecture number 4, students will be able to identify and pronounce with the reasonable accuracy of common two consonant clusters in initial positions. Before we go ahead, let's understand what are consonant clusters. The questions related to this concept could be: what is a consonant cluster? Number 2, what are positions of clusters? And number 3, what are examples of clusters? I repeat again, we'll talk about consonant clusters. What is a consonant cluster? What are positions of clusters? And what are examples of clusters? Please open up your textbook. Lecture 4, identify and pronounce consonant clusters. The name of the unit is Our Hero. Consonant clusters are also called digraphs. Two letters join to make one sound. We have discussed this topic previously also, but we'll repeat it again. Word study. Write 3 words that begin with the sound kl. Kl. The sound k, cat, and the sound l, lamp, they come together to sound one kl. Using this initial sound kl, we can make many words. For example, kl, class, kl, clown, kl, cloth, kl, cluster. This word is also in your SLO. So after understanding what this word study is asking us, it says write 3 words that begin with the sound kl. So let's complete the task. Class, close, clear. In the book they are only asking 3 words, but I will write more words here for you. Clown, cloth, cluster, clear, clan, clean. There is a similar question for a different cluster now. In English, if you remember, we had vowels A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are known as vowels, and the rest of the alphabets are called consonants. So the way we have done words for CL sound, we need to write 3 other words that begin with the sound kr. 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 Crown, crane, I hope you can see it, and cry. The consonant kr is joining with aun, with ain, and with I to make crown, crane, and cry. You can pause the video and you can complete the task, and then you can click on the play button once again. Anytime during the lesson, if you do not understand any concept, you can rewind and go back to that part of the presentation and have a look at it. So let's do some home practice now. Find the digraphs in this unit to our heroes and circle them. So what you have to do is, which 2 digraphs of consonants we just did in the class today? We did kl and we did kr. So you need to go back to the unit, yes. And once again, you are going to read these lines till the end of the unit and circle those consonants kl and kl. Now let's do the class practice together. Open your workbook pages 9 and 10. The SLO keeps coming on the screen again so that you can remember what we are doing. We are doing consonant clusters. So we are going to do part 5, 6 and 7 of page number 9 workbook. I hope you all have it in front of you. So let's read it out loud and circle the right answers. Pick out a digraph and complete the word dash eep. We have 3 options. Let's see which one fits here. This is a combined sound of sh, th, w. What do you think will fit here? Sh, eep, sheep. Th, eep, thiep. V, eep, weep. Well, there is no such word as thiep or weep in English, but the word sheep, yes, it is there. And as we all know that sheep is a farm animal. Number 6. Choose a digraph to complete the word ew. Again 3 options. Sh, ch, th. Let's try all the given options. Chew, chew, thew. Again, choose a digraph to complete the word ew. Shew, chew, or thew. And the option is chew. Chew means to eat, to chew something in your mouth. Number 7. Which punctuation mark does the following sentence need? Where is your school? Choose the punctuation mark and rewrite the sentence below. When there is a word where, that means they want to know the location or the place. And this is a question. And at the end of every question, there is a question mark. So is it full stop? Is it question mark? Is it comma? You have to rewrite the sentence again. Where is your school? And a question mark. Speaking and writing. Say and use the given diagrams to complete the words. Also share them with your siblings. Ch, sh. Let's complete it. Ch, chain. Ch, chop. Ch, chalk. Ch, cheese. Ch, chunk. Sh, shoes. Sh, shine. Sh, shape. Sh, shut. Sh, shake. Home task. Summer pack page 14 and page 14 activity. Recap of the lecture number 4. Identify and pronounce with the reasonable accuracy common two consonant clusters in initial positions. What are consonants? When two consonants join to make one sound, they are called cluster consonants. Cluster consonants on this screen is blue, black, blind, brown, bring, bread. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Thank you very much for being here. I hope we have learned together. It was nice to be with you. See you soon. Take care and don't forget to do your homework. Allah Hafiz.